Okay guys, so if you want to know how to make $8,000 a week, then make sure to pay super close attention. Because in this video, I'm going to reveal all the details on how you can do this. I'll be walking you through a step-by-step process on how you can make a boatload of money online with affiliate marketing. This method is super easy and straightforward. So you don't have to be an expert of any sort to be able to do this. All you really need is a solid internet connection and a working device. So if this sounds like something that you want to get into, then let's jump straight in. Step 1. Head over to the Tailor-Made Golf Affiliate Program. So affiliate marketing is this awesome way to make money online. It basically involves promoting other people's products or services and earning a commission for every sale you generate. It's kind of like being a middleman between the seller and the buyer, and you get paid for driving traffic and sales to the seller's website. Now, if you're interested in trying out affiliate marketing or looking for a new opportunity, then you have to sign up for the Tailor-Made Golf Affiliate Program. Tailor-Made Golf is pretty well known in the golf equipment market. They make all sorts of golf gear, like drivers, putters, balls and more, and they're all top-notch quality. Their whole goal is to make gear that really performs. They're a big deal, not just in the US, but also in Europe. Even some of the best golfers in the world like Tiger Woods, Dustin Johnson and Ricky Fowler trust Tailor-Made. That's pretty cool, right? They really know how to give golfers a great experience on the course. Now, if you're interested in joining the Tailor-Made Golf Affiliate Program, it's a global program that accepts affiliates from all over the world. Basically, they'll give you a 5% commission for every sale that comes from your affiliate links, which is not too shabby. The cookie duration, which is how long you get credit for a sale, is a solid 30 days. Also, the pay terms can vary between affiliate programs, some paying quickly and others taking a little longer. But here's the good news. They pay out on a monthly basis. You can choose to get paid through pay and e-bank transfer or direct deposit. You can get in on the action through VIG Link and Flex offers. In this video, we're going to be signing up through VIG Link to join the affiliate program. They're one of the best networks to work with, so you'll be in good hands. Step 2. Sign up for the Tailor-Made Golf Affiliate Program right now that you know what the Tailor-Made Golf Affiliate Program is all about. Let's move on to Step 2. Signing up. First things first. Open up your browser and simply search for Tailor-Made Golf Affiliate Program. The first link that pops up should be villi.com. Give it a click. Look for that button that says Join Affiliate Program. You've got two options here: either continue with Google or go old school by entering your email and password and then hit that finish button. Tailor-Made will ask for some basic information about your business and your audience. Just follow their instructions and fill out the application. Once you're done, click that submit button. It usually takes a few days for Tailor-Made Golf to give the thumbs up or thumbs down on your application. But don't worry, once you get that sweet acceptance email, you'll get access to your own affiliate dashboard. That's where all the cool stuff happens. You'll find your unique affiliate referral link there, which you can copy and just start spreading Tailor-Made to your audience to earn a commission. Step 3. Head over to Durable to create a landing page. Okay, so now that you have your affiliate link, it's time to get some eyes on it, and to do that, we're going to create a landing page. So Durable is this awesome AI tool that can whip up a super professional landing page in just a matter of seconds. Now, let me tell you, this tool is a game changer. When it comes to getting your business online with just 3 clicks, you'll have a fully designed website with catchy copy, stunning images, and even a fancy contact form. All ready to go in under a minute. It's quick. It's easy, and you don't need to know any fancy code stuff. So head over to durable.co and then click on that Generate Your Website button. Just hit Get Started and it'll ask you for your business type. Since we're all about golf here, let's enter golf. Click Next and then add your business name, which in this case would be Tailor-Made Golf. Click Next once again, and boom, in a matter of seconds, your whole website will be built right in front of your eyes. Now, if you want to get a bit fancy and customize your website, you can totally do that too. All you need to do is sign up for an account using your email address or even your Google account. And from there, you have the power to tweak and personalize your site as much as you want. Add your affiliate link to the landing page. Now, when you're using Durable to create your landing page, it's so important to strategically place your affiliate link within the content. You want visitors to easily spot it and be tempted to click on it. After all, we want those sales rolling in, right? So think about making it visually appealing. Maybe try using a different font or color that catches the eye, or create a catchy call to action. Let's make it pop. But hey, it's not just about looks. We got to make sure that the link is working like a charm. The last thing we want is to miss out on potential sales because of a pesky broken link. So here's what you do: test it out. Yep, it's as simple as clicking on the link yourself and making sure it takes you to the right product page. If it does, you're good to go. Step 4: drive traffic to your landing page. After creating your landing page and adding your affiliate link, the next step is to drive traffic to your page without visitors. You won't make any sales or earn any commissions. This is where Propeller Ads comes in handy. Propeller Ads is a website that lets you advertise your landing page to a broader audience for free by using Propeller Ads. You can attract more visitors and drive more traffic to your landing page first. First, you got to sign up for an account with Propeller Ads. Once you've got that sorted, it's time to create your ad campaign. Now, here's the secret to successful ads targeting options. You want to make sure your ads reach the right people who are most likely to be interested in your product. So pick the targeting options that fit your product and target audience. This way, you'll be showing your ads to the right people, increasing your chances of making those sweet commissions. When it comes to ad formats, Propeller Ads has got your back with a bunch of options. You've got banner ads, pop-under ads, push notifications, you name it. Feel free to experiment and try different formats to see what works best for your product and audience. More traffic to your landing page means more chances of making those sales and earning those commissions. Now, let's talk about creating an ad that will grab people's attention, and video is gonna be your best friend here. It's a tool that makes creating professional-looking ads a breeze. First, pick a template that matches your product's style and tone. Then go ahead and customize it to make it your own. Add your catchy text, awesome images, and even cool videos, and don't forget to play around with colors and fonts to make it all shine with your branding to make your ad stand out. You got to make it engaging and eye-catching. Think bold headlines and striking images that will make people go, "Whoa, what's this all about?" Keep it short and sweet, though, because you only got a few seconds to make an impact. Remember, the goal is to get people hyped about the crew. Once you've crafted your masterpiece within video, it's time to run it and drive traffic to your landing page. Just hop on back to Propeller Ads. Choose the ad format you fancy, upload your ad, and set your targeting options. Boom, you're done. Oh, and here's the best part: real-time performance. You can see exactly how many people are clicking on your ad and converting on your landing page. Use this data to tweak and improve your ad campaign, and watch those results get better and better. So running ads is a powerful way to amp up your traffic and start raking in those commissions with video for creating killer ads and Propeller Ads for targeting your audience. You're on your way to making some serious cash with this awesome affiliate marketing strategy. And that's it for today's video. I hope you found the information helpful and informative. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos on how to make money online. See you next time.